Hey, HardluckCharlie here. So you're on a really low budget because gas has gone to like $10 a gallon or something. And you need some tires for your car. You can't afford anything, but you're looking. And on Facebook or Craigslist, you find a set of tires super cheap, maybe, 20 bucks for 2 tires. Only problem is they have studs in them. And studs happen to be illegal in most states after sometime in April. So, but they have really good tread, okay? Super good tread. And geez, if you could only get those damn studs out. So, yes you can. And here's how you do it. Real simple. This I have researched, and I've pulled studs for years. But the best way to do it that I have found is you prep your tire with dish soap. Dish soap, I use a little water. I thin it a little bit. Some people just dab each stud, but I'm lazy. And so I just do it like this. I just paint it up. So let me get a close-up on this, and I'll show you what I mean. Oh, the other thing that you want to use: gloves, glasses, and I prefer to use a smaller blade, straight edge screwdriver. You can see this one here is about maybe 3/16 to a quarter. This one's about a 1/8 inch screwdriver. It's used for doing tune-up on like chainsaws. So anyhow, so you get yourself a good small bladed screwdriver, and then you take the soapy water, and coat those studs up, and then you take this screwdriver. Let me get my gloves on here. This way you can save yourself probably $100 to $200 on tires. Pull these studs out. In order to pull the stud out, push that screwdriver in on the edge of the stud till it goes down to the shoulder. Then push it back to the side of the stud until it slips down past the shoulder. And then, let me get, well, and then it pops right out. Again, push that screwdriver blade in till it hits that shoulder. Then slide it over till it goes down a little further. Then just get under that puppy and pop it out. Down, over, pop it out. Down, over, pop it out. You can do a small tire like this in about 10 minutes. It's just how easy it is, folks. And you can find these studded tires all day long pretty cheap because they're so seasonal. A lot of people find out they don't even need them, but maybe 1 or 2 days out of the whole dang year. And so maybe they used them 1 year, and then the next year they're like, I ain't even gonna bother putting them on. I don't use them. I'll put them on Craigslist and sell them. And so you can pick up really nice tires. These tires right here, we got 4 tires, free. They were free. The only problem with them was they had these studs in them. So we're going to take these studs out and have a really good pair or set of tires. I'm not going to bore you with going around this whole dang tire, but you can see how easy it is to pull these studs out and save yourself a bunch of money. So anyhow, screwdriver, soap and water. Who'd have thunk it? Anyhow, that's it. Have fun, take care, thanks for watching.